Give Daddy your smiles and your laughs. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh. Oh. Nice eyebrows. Hold on. Nice eyebrows. Yeah. Yeah. You didn't do any talking? What are you doing, Stinker? Are you being silly, boy? No, don't do that with your hand. Don't do that. Don't do that with your hand. You hurt your handsome face. Oh, yes. Yes. What else? What else? Are you still sleepy? Are you still sleepy? You're so funny. Hi. Okay, we got the yawning for Daddy. We got the sneezing for Daddy. Now what else? What else are we going to do for Dad? We got some eyebrows for Daddy. Are you going to do some tucking? Are you going to say, ga-ga-goo-goo? Ga-ga-goo-goo? Are you going to do some laughing? Ooh, I just dropped the phone right on you. Sorry. Are you going to do some laughing? Oh, there you are. There it is. There it is. What you got in there? Huh? You got anything there for Daddy? No, maybe a bit later? This was perfect. Say, I love you, Dad. Have a great day. Oh, no. Are the hiccups starting? Have a great day. Yeah. That's nice. That's nice. You're so cute, Elliot. You're so cute, Elliot. Hiccuping, yawning, and sneezing for Daddy. That's what our morning video is going to be. Say, I love you, Dad. Bye, Dada. Bye. Tox, get out of here. Say hi, Dad. I'm being extra annoying. No, off you go. Off, off, off. Off, off, off. Come on, you're calling me. Come on. Go on. That's so funny. That touch is so funny. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Toodaloo. Toodles. You're so cute. You're so cute. Look at his face. Look at his face. Look at his face. Look at his face. Tox, go. Sorry for my yelling. I just stare at him forever. Okay, bye. Talk to you later. Talk to you later.